show us.
Wait.
Okay. April, what does an owl say?
Wait.
5? What does an owl say?
Wait.
Saying bunny.
Well, that's a bunny. That's the bunny.